Fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So in this video we're going to be using hair from Nadula hair. This is a 180 density wig, and honestly you guys, it came pretty thick, but you guys know I love my wigs to be very full, so I'm going to be adding in 2 bundles. This hair actually is straight hair. I ended up curling it and layering it later on in the video, and I also show you guys the steps I took to make this wig glueless, but unfortunately your girl messed it up, but that's going to be later on. So right here I'm just adding in the bundles that I showed you guys in the beginning. Like I said, I love me some full hair, so I just cut up the bundles and put it in the empty spaces that was in the wig, and I just used a 30-second wig glue. And this is what the hair in the wig looks like when I've added both of my bundles, as well as I went ahead and watercolored the hair blue black. This blue black is so bomb, you guys. If you guys want me to do a video showing you guys how I got this color, I definitely will do so. I'm going to be making a wig in the next few days, so if you guys want to see a video of me doing that, then please thumbs up this video, as well as let me know in the comment section down below. So I just went ahead and blow dried the hair when it was about 80% dry, and now I'm moving on to doing the glueless part. So inside of wigs that are usually lace front wigs, you will see combs in the inside. You basically want to replace those combs with an elastic band that looks like this. Specifically this one, because in my opinion this is the best one, because anyone's able to use it and make the wig smaller to whatever head circumference that they are. So I will leave the ones that I use down below. I did get them from Amazon, and I believe they were about like $5, so I definitely made sure I stocked up, because honey, this is the truth. So when you get your elastic band, you just want to take the 2 little extra pieces that comes in the pack. You basically want to take those and replace them with the wig combs that we took off the wig. You have to put it in that specific place, because if you don't, it will not make your wig glueless. So next I'm moving on to doing my hot comb. This hot comb is from Hot Tools. I will link it down below. I got it from Sally Beauty. It's like my fave at the moment. And I'm also going to be using a new spray. This is a spray that I got from Ulta. It's actually the Sebastian Shaper Spray Professional line. Say that 5 times fast, honey. And this has been like my favorite thing I've been picking up. I love it so much more than the original, because I don't know, it just does something to the hair, and it just makes the hair so much more flatter when I use a hot comb. Now I'm moving on to a method that I have been doing a lot lately, but I just never showed it on camera. I'm actually going to be using a mannequin head to curl my hair today, just because I feel like it mimics as if this was like a real person. So I'm able to really curl the hair to the front of the face and really frame and cut it, like just makes it a lot more natural when I do it this way. You guys are always asking me about my mannequin head, so I was like, why not me just show it in this video. This mannequin head is actually one that I got from TaylorMade Jane. She custom made this and put the makeup on and everything. I talk about TaylorMade Jane all the time in my videos. She is my twin, my sis. I will definitely link her information down below for those that are interested. And I'm also using another new product today. This is actually a curling iron, the 1.5 inch from T3. I decided to be a big boy, you know what I'm saying, because all the big celebrity hairstylists has this curling iron, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. This curling iron, you guys, is $200. Okay sis, like it's $200, like aka expensive. So I was like, you know, I want my hair to start looking like that more celebrity-ish, curl-ish, you know what I'm saying? So I decided to go ahead and save up and go and purchase it, and I am not looking back, because The way that this curling iron curls my hair, honey, sweetie pie, girla, it's amazing. So I will link it down below. Like I said, I did get it from Ulta, and please excuse the way my house is looking in this video, you guys. Like, my house is never looking like this, but you know, it's something called reality and realism, because it was a lot going on. I got my Fashion Nova PR in the background. I got my camera bag. It's a whole lot going on, but just don't pay attention to that because it's not important. So now I'm gonna go ahead and layer the hair. You guys have seen me layer and curl my hair a lot on my channel, but like I said, this one's a little bit different because I am using a mannequin head, and I'm literally just taking the hair and layering it along the chin area of the mannequin, and wherever I stop cutting from the first section, I will just go down another section, take from the part that I left off for cutting, and just continue to cut and frame the face, or you know, the mannequin face, should we say. And then now I'm just going to take my comb. This is actually a comb I got from Pattern. I got it in like a trio. It comes with a comb, a Denman brush, as well as a pick. I did get this from Ulta as well. This is from the Tracee Ellis Ross line, and I love it so far. Like, absolutely love it. Okay, so here is where things kind of got real. As you guys can see, I plucked the heck out of this hairline, honey. This hairline is looking so good. If you guys want an updated way of how I pluck my hairlines, I do have a video out on my channel, so definitely go ahead and check that out. As well as I have an updated bleaching knot tutorial, and that's what I did for this wig in this video as well. So if you guys are interested in both of these videos, I do have them up on my channel, so make sure you guys go and watch those right after this one. So you guys can see that this hairline is looking phenomenal. This is before any glue, any spray, anything like that. I can take it up, lift it up, everything, and it's looking so good. Like, and it's so tight on my head. And this is where things kind of get real. I decided to go ahead and cut the baby hair section off from the wig. I don't know why I did this. I don't know. I was just getting kind of like razor happy, and it literally like messed up the entire install. But I was like, listen sis, I'm going to continue going because we're going to try to make this work. So I'm going in with some Kiss Almighty Bond lace glue. I do have a giveaway, and the giveaway is officially over. It was over yesterday. I am going to be linking all the winners down below. So if you guys are a winner, please go ahead and email me because I'm going to be sending you guys your glue, honey. So for this section of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and do what I always do and just go ahead and apply 2 layers of the glue, as well as just lay my wig down. You guys will kind of see me do like a slight struggle bust, but it's okay because I tried to make it work as best I could. So I would just come back later on just to give you guys a little update. So this is the part where you guys will see me try every technique possible, and the lace just was not blending in as best as I would have wanted it to. Like, it's not bad, it's not terrible, but you'll literally see me try like everything. I tried to blow dry it first. I tried to use the elastic band to hold it down. That helped a little bit, but I felt like you could still see like the line of demarcation. I should have never cut off those baby hairs because I really needed those. So I just decided to find some baby hairs like in the hairline and just kind of swoop it forward. It literally does not look my best, clearly, but you guys saw what happened. You saw what it was looking like before I messed it up. So I just tried to do as best as I could because clearly I did not have another wig after this. So I was like, man, I'm gonna make it work. So it is what it is. So this is the end of the video. You guys see that I tried my best. It's not my best install, but honey, we just tried to do what we had to do, okay? My makeup looked good, so I was like, I am not going to post this video because my makeup looks a bomb, my outfit is bomb, and my hair was still bomb. Just ignore the lace part. But this is 26 inches. I just show you guys where it falls on my body. I am 5'4", but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Giveaway winners, definitely make sure you guys email me, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys.